Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to schedule cleaning on the Roborock Saros 20. Click the settings in the top right corner, then go to schedules. Add a schedule by clicking add schedule, then set the start time to any hour, let's say 11:25. Repetition can be set to once. It'll run at the closest possible time and then turn off. Or you can make it repeat daily, on weekdays, weekends, or custom days like Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Tasks can be set to full, rooms, select which rooms, or routine if you have one created. You can also set cruise points for a specific route. Choose your cleaning mode. I'll do vacuum followed by mop, but you can pick turbo power vacuum or others. Set water flow to medium, choose a standard route, then save it. It'll appear on the schedule list. You can add more or enable or disable them. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.